What is up guys? In this video I'm gonna explain how to utilize Easy GUI to create an AI voice cover of any sound or song. First you're gonna go to easy.gui. All the links in my description, so you can just click on them. GUI is a collab Google page, so you need a Google account to use it. Then you go to RVC model archive. This is a spreadsheet of the different voices people already made. So these are all the popular ones and they are ready for you. For example, if you want to use Drake's voice, you just go to 45, you copy, then you go back to Easy GUI and install step 1. You see GPU check, that means it's setting up the program and it's done downloading. Once all these steps have a green check next to them, you go to step 2 and download them. So here you can see the other steps. Now you got your link that ends with cloudflare.com or radio.live, depends on what tunnel you use, and you visit the link. Then it's gonna give you a link that ends with radio.live and you visit the link. Then you go to YouTube and search for the voice you want. When you download the full song, it is illegal, so watch out. Then you copy this link. Make sure you choose WAV and download it. Once it's finished, you go back to Gradio and add the file. So you add Drake's voice to choose your model and you add Despacito to the audio. Now it's uploading. Then you click on convert and there you go.
This is a sample audio for you. Do you like the voice model?
Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.